Hello everyone, thank you for the time that you give to watch this video. In this video, I will explain about augmented reality, especially in healthcare sector. What augmented reality application help health worker and how technology help them and what technology are used in AR application and how they function, the disadvantage and advantage of using this application in health sector and many more. But before I explain about that, let me introduce myself. My name is George Renaldi Koten. I'm a student from the Faculty of Industrial Technology at Majaya University, Yogyakarta. So our topic is actually related to augmented reality technology. AR is a technology that breaks the boundaries of the real world and it adds to reality through digital means. This understanding is certainly in line with the choice of word used for the term AR. Augmented mean addition, meanwhile reality mean real. In Indonesia, this technology is often referred to as realitas buatan. This augmented of reality occur in real time. All of this is done through three-dimensional technology. The explanation of understanding earlier may make you confused. Indeed, from the name, AR has impression of luxury, sophisticated, and can only be achieved by jet setters. But in fact, augmented reality is a technology that is quite close to us. To make the shadow more definite, I will give, give you some example. Like, have you ever played Instagram? If you ever play Instagram, the filter in Instagram story feature is one of form of AR. The software there that in Instagram can read your face then add animation on the screen. So now you have understood the meaning of AR. So actually, how did the technology start? According to the Harvard Business Review, AR first appeared in 1968. At that time, Ivan Sutherland designed a head-mounted augmented reality gadget. Like today's augmented reality, the function of the gadget is to add digital information from reality. However, its use is limited to geographic information. For example, is to see a location with additional information on the slope of the ground. Therefore, at that time, this device was only used in certain industry. Two of them are aviation and military. The use of AR in commercial world only occurred in 2008. The party who started it was the automotive company BMW. At that time, augmented reality features were inserted for their print magazine. There is in the picture of car called BMW Mini. If the seat is pointed at the computer camera, you will see the car on the screen of computer, of course. And now today's AR continue to be used in many industry. The Interaction Design Foundation said, including construction, education, games, tourism, healthcare, and many more. We will take the example of the healthcare sector to explain the more detailed use of augmented reality. I will give an example of using augmented reality application that help medical personnel in the world of health. The following are healthcare focused AR app on Android and Apple Store, including first is iDecide. This application uses smart camera to simulate the impact of various disorders on a person's vision to educate patients with cataract and age-related macular degeneration. Second is Dr. Mole. This app helps doctors analyze suspicious moles on the body and provides instant feedback and is useful in detecting malignant lesions. Third is Healthcare app by Pixelbug. Is an app that helps doctors easily understand the function of the new medical device or their working mechanism. 4. We have 4D Anatomy. Provide medical professional, student and teacher with an interactive 4D understanding of human anatomy with respect to the spatial relation of organ, skeleton and muscle. 5. We have Mavis Surgery app developed by Fraunhofer. Mavis. This app offers virtual 3D reconstruction of real organ. Surgeons use it to perform liver resection using image display on the iPad that help locate blood vessels on or tumor. And 6. We have Medic AR. This app using Google Glass app for surgeon to properly allocate incision point to reduce patient trauma. It is expected to be used in complex surgery and MRI action. So AR technology is in the new stage of the market penetration. The AR market is in the early stage of development, but it's growing rapidly, especially in the last 2 years. Diverse AR content from various fields and more affordable consumer solutions are expected in the next 5 years. AR enterprise app and subscription will increase revenue for startups. Many industries are expected to turn AR as the primary source of multisensory instruction and for standard operating procedure for workforce safety. Medical education and staff training are bound to remain the primary of using this AR in healthcare. Behavioral and physiological health issues are addressed through AR technology that creates an engaging and motivating environment. Immersive technology also encourages empathy between patients and their caregivers and help in understanding and treating illness. The USC Center for Body Computing, for example, has designed a virtual care clinic system that combines AR, analytic, and artificial intelligence technologies with mobile apps, wearable sensor, and virtual human healthcare providers to provide patients with comprehensive access to medical care and content from anywhere in the world. The system has an app to connect patients with their primary doctor avatar that guides patients to their various medical care programs. But on the other hand, privacy concern and deep perception challenge must be resolved for wide adoption of AR technology. Privacy concerns are a major barrier to widespread adoption of AR technology in the healthcare industry. Doctors are concerned about compliance with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or we call HIPAA, because data sent to AR device is not encrypted, leaving confidential patient information vulnerable. Deep perception is also another concern. This is a critical component of many augmented reality applications, and many times an AR display don't display the depth of virtual object with the same fidelity as real object. Therefore, technical issues such as deep perception, developing robust registration and tracking methods, design interactive user interface to intuitively control virtual and real part of scene, and integrating AR technology into medical workflow. This this need to be solved for widespread adoption of this technology. So after knowing the strength and weaknesses of AR technology, we will ask about how AR will be in the future. The AR market will resemble the smartphone market, thus targeting a large population in worldwide. The AR ecosystem is witnessing an influx of manufacturers of software and hardware as well as mobile data and voice business, with a large number of merger and acquisition. This reflects the immense interest in technology from all walks on life. Companies must address regulatory and privacy concerns to success in the healthcare space, which will be benefit for AR assisted surgery, staff training, and inpatient behavioral and rehabilitation program. By 2020, the healthcare industry will be the first to realize the benefit of AR technology on human behavior, patient experience, and life-saving intervention. By 2025, consumer will be able to thoroughly analyze their health and well-being in real time through AR-based application, giving them an idea of how unhealthy times and lifestyle will affect their bodies. After seeing the example mentioned above, that surely you will ask, how does the application work? What kind of technology make it possible to help medical personnel? So I think AR can be displayed on various devices such as mobile phone, special glasses, cameras, screen, webcam, and so on. This device will function as output device. Why output device? Because it will display information in form of videos, image, animation, and 3D model that need to be used. Those user can see the result in both artificial and natural light. Augmented reality or AR use SLAM, or simultaneous location and mapping, technology, sensor, and deep matter. For example, collecting sensor data to determine a location, calculate the distance from the previous location to destination location, and so on. Of course, all of the all of that cannot be separated from the AR supporting component, including the following is camera and sensor. Camera and sensor are used to collect collaborative information data with user and send them for processing. The camera on the phone has the ability to examine the environment and acquire data, as well as being able to locate physical items and generate 3D objects. Third technology that used in AR is projection. You need to know the projection of one of the AR components. This component refers to small projectors. For example, a kind of AR headset. The device takes information from sensor and project computerized content onto surface for viewing. However, in reality, the utilization of this component has not been fully designed for use in tool. For technology is reflection. Some AR gadgets have mirror to help the human eye to see the image virtually. Cool, isn't it? Yes, because some of them have a variant of small band mirror and some have a double side mirror. Server to reflect light to the camera and into the user eye. The purpose of the reflection mode is to play precious and accurate setting of the image. By using all these components, augmented reality can display artificial reality that help medical personnel to do their work. That is presentation from me. Thank you for your attention. See ya.